Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydrofoam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the outdated server error in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now I'm going to be showing you guys for both the version, the Play Store or the licensed version of the game, and also the APK or the unlicensed version of the game. So starting off, we're going to be going to the Play Store version of the game. So firstly, what you need to do is go ahead and open up the Play Store. And now once you're on the Play Store, now remember this is for the licensed or the Play Store version. That means if you have bought Minecraft Pocket Edition from the Play Store, you have to follow this step. And then what you need to do is click on these three buttons over here. Go ahead and click on My Apps and Games. And then what you need to do is be in the Update tab. Basically, you'll be in the Update tab by default. And what you need to do is just search for Minecraft. Minecraft should be here. And basically, what you need to do is go ahead and update it if you haven't already. And also check if you're in the beta. So if you're in the beta version of the game, you'll not be able to play in any servers or realms. So if you're in the beta, just go ahead and leave the beta from here. And yeah, so this is for the licensed version. And now coming to the unlicensed or the APK version, what you need to do is go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and I'll catch you guys there. And now that we're in Google Chrome, firstly, what you need to do actually is go ahead and uninstall your Minecraft. So the APK version that you have, just go ahead and uninstall it. It doesn't really matter. Do not worry about it. And then what you need to do is go ahead and click on the link in the description down below, and it will take you to this site, all right? And basically, all you have to do over here is just scroll all the way down. Scroll down till you see go to download page, go ahead and click on it. And then over here, what you need to do, so just follow this carefully. You need to download final version 1.16.200.01. This is the version, as you guys can see, so I've highlighted it. And so yeah, this is the version that you will need to download. And then after you download and install it, just go ahead and open it up, sign into your Xbox account. Yes, you can do that in this APK. You can go ahead and sign into your Xbox account. And after that, you can go ahead and enjoy playing Minecraft. And this is the full version. This is the latest version of Minecraft Pocket Edition, and it's not modded whatsoever, so do not worry about that as well. And yeah guys, so this is basically how you fix outdated server for both APK and licensed version of the game. So if you guys did find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Now, goodbye.